Do you have a table like this, a table of data set like this that is full of so many blanks? And your task and worry is the fact that how do I fill up these blanks correctly with less effort and in no time? Naturally, I would think that to fill it up is to type in one by one, to type in one by one. But when we look at the number of blanks that we have to fill up, you and I know that this step can be time consuming and will be stressful for us. But worry no more, as I am glad to inform you that there is a feature in Microsoft Excel that can help you to fill up that can help you to fill up these blanks correctly with less effort and in no time. And that is the reason why we are here today. My name is Olani Ishofunwa, and you are welcome to Excel with Olani. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to fill up blanks in Microsoft Excel without stress. As I said earlier on, that based on the table that we have, and we are asked to fill up these blanks. The simple step that we just need to do is on our keyboard, we type, just select any cell in the table. Then on your keyboard, type Alt HFDS. Alt HFDS. It will bring up this window. And from this window, this go to special window. And from this window, you only need to select blanks. So once you select the blanks, click OK. Then in Microsoft Excel, we highlight all the blanks that you have in your table. The next step is type equal to sign. Once you type equal to sign, make sure that you now select the cell that is directly above the equal to sign. So I'll select cell E2. Then the next thing is on your keyboard, press Ctrl Enter. Voila! That will fill up all the blanks. As you can see, all my blanks are filled up with that little step and approach. This is very easy for you to do. Alternatively, another way is that if you are wondering that how do I remember the combination of all those letters? Don't worry again. Another way that you can do it is from your home menu, home tab, just go to the right hand side of the home tab. You will see the find and select menu. Just select it. Find and select. From the drop down menu, select go to special. Go to special. So that will bring up the same window that will bring up the same window that we saw earlier on. The same way, select blanks. So once you select blanks, click OK. Excel will highlight all the blanks that you have in your table. So the next step is type equal to sign. Once you type the equal to sign, select the cell that is directly above the equal to sign, then which is cell E2, or type cell E2, and on your keyboard, type Control Enter. Control Enter will do the magic, and all your blanks will get filled up. As you can see, that this is very easy and a simple step that you can take to fill up all your blanks. Even though you have a data set of 1,000 rows in your table and there are so many blanks, with this simple approach, all the blanks in your table will be filled up. This method is very important, especially when we are dealing with pivot tables. You would at least this feature is very important to fill up your table. This approach is very easy, as you can see, and I want you to try it also with your data set. Meanwhile, before you go, endeavor to like this video, give your comments, at least give your comments in the comment section so for us to engage, so that I can know how you feel about this feature. And don't forget to share this video to your network, to your family and friends, so that they too can learn this trick with Microsoft Excel. And lastly, don't forget that the objective of this channel is to help you to become an Excel maestro. Thank you and see you in the next class.